Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Solana video update. And so we are moving sideways right now. We're at 36.31. I just saw Solana and the Bitcoin. They're really mirroring with one another right now. Now Solana is nonetheless at particular resistance right here, so that it's very tiny resistance right now. So you're gonna see this one having one resistance right over there, second resistance right over here, third resistance right over there, but there are good chances that you might end up coming up a little bit. So this is the following that I do see. Let me actually clear some of the patterns here, and let's dive in back to this line right over there. So you've actually broken out of a particular resistance. If you were to come down, I do think you've actually backtested everything. I think the trend line goes something like that, and you've already pumped to the upside. So there are good chances that you do actually move up to this price here, which is going to be 37.11, and that's where you're going to find next resistance moving forward. You can actually hit your head up at 37.11. But if you do come up here and break this level, backtest it, there are good chances that you're looking for a technical target and a relief probably to go all the way from there to there, and you're coming up here. So you could actually go all the way to $40, and that could perhaps be the end of this final pump to the upside before you actually go to the downside. Because nonetheless, keep in mind, you do have a very big weekly bear flag, and that is not good at all. It doesn't look cute at all. Okay, that's very dangerous if you look at the weekly bear flag, and that goes something on like that one from there to there, and you're looking for this one from there to there as well. So it's a very big, huge bear flag to the downside. So you guys gotta play safe at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.